Hello guys, review ZTE Nubia Focus Pro. This version 8GB RAM in 256GB storage. Open box and look complectation. In complectation we have protected back cover, okay, key for SIM slot, device with triple camera, and in complectation we have Type-C cable and adapter for charging. Turn on device, open settings, about phone, we have my OS version 13, Android 13, okay. CPU we have Unisoc T760, GPU Mali G57. Look results, good results we have, good GPU results, Antutu benchmark, look, okay, and look camera, we have triple camera, 108 plus 0.3 megapixel, okay, different models. Okay, now I show you photos on the main camera, let's see this. That's all, thanks for watching this video, bye bye.